Good evening, my crafty friends. I hope you all are having a wonderful day so far. So, I promised you guys that I would record a tutorial for the round pockets from day one, since the live was interrupted. Okay, so I'm going to do a circle and then this, which is a rounded oval. Okay, so whatever round shape that you're wanting to make your pocket with, you're going to need three of each. Okay. And to make the swivel, you will need two medium-sized circles and then two circles that are smaller. To mark my holes in the center, I use one of the hole reinforcers to make a template. So on your two smaller circles, it's not going to be perfect, but I'm just going to try to center it as best as I can and trace that inner circle. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing for the medium-sized circle, but this time just for one of them. Okay. Grab both of your medium-sized circles. And we are just going to punch through that hole. On these here, we are not going to punch out that center hole. What I'm going to do, and I actually think I'm going to do, I normally do three, but I think I'm going to do four for this one. Okay. So let me get it closer for you. That's what I draw on there. Okay. So it kind of looks like a floating device, one of the lifesavers. But now I'm just going to take my scissors and cut along those marks. And you're going just up to your center circle. Try not to go past it, okay? Just right up to it. Okay. And then those smaller pie pieces, I'm going to pull forward while the other ones lay flat. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for both pieces. Okay. Again, pulling the small pieces forward while the others lay flat. Okay, so this is going to be the front. So one of these is going to be your half pocket. So let me line this up here. I'm going to go ahead and right, cut that half. If you want a notch in it, you can go ahead and do your notch. Okay. Oh, the hubby, he is home. Oh, you didn't hear that. Okay. All right. So now we have our half circle little pocket. So next we are going to glue that down. And I'm just going around the edge. Okay. Got that lined up. Okay, let's see. So this is how I want the top to go. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is take your pieces of pie and your whole pie. That's what we're going to call it. And you're going to take these four and try to wiggle them through. Okay. And now you just want to fold these back. Okay. And now we are going to glue all the way around the edge of this circle and try not to get close to your pieces. Okay. And now this, I'm going to glue right on the back of this top circle. And you want to make sure that you come all the way to the edge of your shape. So hold that. Then the next thing is you're going to put glue on your four pie pieces. But be careful not to put too much. Okay. And then you want to line this up at the bottom of that one. Okay. Now, the sides. And you have your little pocket here to put things in. And you spin this back around and it's hidden. Okay. So on this one, again, this is going to be my front, and this one is going to be the pocket. But this one is going to be done just a little bit differently. I'm just going to fold this directly in half. I'm not going to cut it, just folding it directly in half. So I'm going to ink, and then I'm going to fold it the opposite direction and just add a little bit of ink to that crease. Okay. So now on this one, again, we're just going to add some glue all around the edge. Scoot it a little bit over, but that's okay. So if you wanted to stamp or stencil or anything like that to decorate this part up here, then you can. So next, you're going to take your pie pieces and your pie, and it's going to be the same thing as last time. I'm going to take all 4 of your little pieces here. Sometimes you may have to use your tweezers to help you a little bit. There we go. Pushing this all the way in. Then you're just going to lay on back like we did last time, okay? And glue all the way around your circle. And going all the way to the very edge. Trying to center it as best as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just want to get as close to the edge as you can. Now, just the same as we did on the circle, I'm gonna add some glue to your pie pieces. It's going to be a little bit easier, so I'm going to line it up with the top first. I'm just going to hold it. And this one here has a little added bonus, which you'll see in just a minute. Give that a second to dry. Okay. So now we're going to spin this around. So now you have access to your pocket here. And then when we flip this up, you have secret journaling. So there is both ways. You can do a round pocket, could have circle pocket, and a pocket with hidden journaling. All right, Jess. So there is the easy peasy tutorial. So next you could decorate up your pockets. You want to add fabric or labels or whatever you would like. On here, if you wanted to take it another step further, you could use your other half circle, put a notch in it, and you could have a double pocket. So you have a pocket on the top and then a pocket when you open that up. Okay. So go have fun, play with paper, because that's what we love to do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.